The idea of setting problems to the last detail and avoiding any lingering issues is rooted in the principle of effective conflict resolution and communication. Taking the time to thoroughly address problems helps prevent them from resurfacing later on. By meticulously working through the details and understanding the underlying causes of an issue, parties involved can reach a more comprehensive and lasting solution. The verse you mentioned, Matthew 5:25, is part of the Sermon on the Mount in the Bible. In this context, Jesus emphasizes the importance of reconciling with the adversary quickly, lest the situation escalate and legal actions become necessary. This teaching underscores the value of timely conflict resolution and open communication in maintaining healthy relationships and preventing unnecessary strife. In practical terms, addressing problems comprehensively involves active listening, empathy, and a willingness to understand different perspectives. It may also require compromise and collaboration to find solutions that are acceptable to all parties involved. Ultimately, the goal is to create an environment where communication gaps are minimized, misunderstandings are resolved, and relationships are nurtured.